Hi guys, a very good evening. Let's start with today's Smart Kera Current Affairs mock test 21st May. Who among the following has been appointed as the next MD of Chennai Petroleum Corporation? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is out of these five options. The answer is Arvind Kumar. So I'll repeat it again. Arvind Kumar has been appointed as the next MD of Chennai Petroleum Corporation. Arvind Kumar is set to be the next managing director of the Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, a subsidiary company of Indian Oil. He has been recommended for the post by Public Enterprises Selection Board (PESB) panel on Tuesday. He is currently serving as Executive Director, Projects Refineries, Headquarter of Indian Oil, New Delhi. Currently, CPSCL's Director Rajiv Elwadi is holding the additional charge of CPCL's MD post. So the correct answer is Arvind Kumar is the next MD of Chennai Petroleum Corporation. Which company has launched AI-based devices to test quality of the products? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is AG Next Technologies. So Punjab-based AG Next Technologies will provide you with a system primarily based on digital expertise and synthetic intelligence that mixes hardware, software program and algorithms to test agriculture merchandise for high quality. AG Next Technologies headquartered at Mohali, Punjab. Mohali is known as the Northern India except Delhi and Gurgaon's tech or IT capital. AI, you mean by artificial intelligence. It's very important. Artificial intelligence is the future of the technology warfare that we are going to see amongst the companies and amongst the nations. China is heavily invested in it, but unfortunately, India is only growing to its possibility round. CM of which state has recently announced special development grant of rupees 10 lakh to every village achieving 100% vaccination? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is Punjab. So Punjab CM has announced a special grant of rupees 10 lakh to villages achieving 100% vaccination. This comes under Corona Mukt Pind Abhiyan because the villages of Punjab were very heavily affected by it. Which state has recently launched Ayushman Bharat scheme in the state? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is that it has been launched by Telangana. So Ayushman Bharat scheme was launched by Telangana, and after 2.5 years they have launched this scheme. You can see it here. Johnson & Johnson has joined hands with which company for the manufacturing of the COVID-19 vaccine? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is it has been joined hands with Biological E Limited. Option A is the correct answer. So US pharmaceutical giant Johnson & Johnson joined hands with Biological E Limited. It's a Telangana-based pharma company. So one must understand that India is one of the leaders in the pharma sector. Today I was seeing that before we gave orders for our vaccines, S2 and the other vaccine maker had their orders placed by the world leaders. We were late because we were busy in some of the central government's self-congratulatory schemes. Otherwise, our nation would have been vaccinated at least 50% by now if we would have given the orders on a primary basis. Because India is a pharma sector leader, right? You can see it here. Government of India has recently reported that compared with the last year, what percent more has been procured in the Rabi marketing season 21-22? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is that 24% has been procured more. So Union government has said that 24% more wheat has been procured during the current Rabi marketing season 21-22 in comparison to the corresponding period of last year, right? Which of the following state has recently ranked first in the establishing HWCs under the Ayushman Bharat scheme? The answer for the same goes to Karnataka. So these are health and wellness centers. Health and wellness centers. So Karnataka has emerged as the best state and is ranked number one in the establishing health and wellness centers under the Ayushman Bharat program. This will provide comprehensive primary healthcare in the rural areas, the state health and family welfare department said on Tuesday. So you can see it here. Which of the state has topped the implementation of smart city project as per MOHUA, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? The answer for the same is this has been topped by Jharkhand. So Jharkhand has clinched the first position among the 36 state and UTs of India based on the progress implementation of smart city projects. Rajasthan came second in the rankings. The ranking is based on certain factors like smart city plan implementation, ongoing work, tendering process, utilization of funds, provision of utility certificates to the central government. Sometimes it happens that central government or the state government releases funds to the cities, but that fund remains unused due to quabbling, or like let us say that municipal corporation doesn't use it due to internal fights. So that's why Jharkhand has gone top. According to the global trade update released by United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, which three countries have performed relatively better than the other major economies in imports and exports during the first quarter of 21? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer goes to India, China and South Africa. Option B is the correct answer. So India and China and South Africa have fared relatively better than other major economies in import and exports in the first quarter of this year, according to UN data. Right? So you can see it here. First International Day of Argenia was observed on which date? Kindly give the correct answer. The first International Day of Argenia was observed on First International Day of Argenia was observed on which date? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is that first International Day of Argenia was observed on May 10th. Right? This is actually a tree, and this is a local tree which helps in the local community's welfare. So let us say that you produce timber. How it helps the local community? By giving them returns over and over throughout the year. So the answer for this is May 10th. Why I reversed it? Because this is not correctly placed. So Tashi Yonganjan became first woman climber to scale Everest in 2021, and she is from which state? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is that she is from Arunachal Pradesh. So Tashi Yongjam holds the title of first Indian woman climber to scale Mount Everest in 21. She began the climb on May 9th and completed her journey on May 11th, reaching the peak early at 6 a.m. So she is from Arunachal. Who among the following has been elected to the prestigious National Academy of Sciences in recognition of his distinguished and continuing achievements in the original research? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is Sankar Ghosh. So eminent award-winning Indian origin immunologist has been elected to the prestigious National Academy of Sciences in recognition of his distinguished and continuing achievements in the original research. Right? Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of additional 25% stake in Adani Krishnapatnam Port by which company? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same goes to none of these. The Adani Krishnapatnam Port, the 25% acquisition is going to Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, APZ. Actually, it's not the same. Earlier it was Adani Krishnapatnam Port, but now now it is going to Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone. So none of these was the correct answer. The 2,800 crore transaction will make the port in southern Andhra Pradesh fully owned by the Gautam Adani-led firm. APZ had acquired its 75% stake in October last year. So that's why its name was Adani, but 25% stake was not with it. Now again it has taken full control. Government of India is to sell 1.95% stake in which bank to raise rupees 4,000 crore? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is the Government of India is going to sell its stake in Axis Bank. So government is selling its 58 million shares in Axis Bank via the specified undertaking of the unit to raise around rupees 4,000 crore. Which company is to acquire SB Energy's India Green portfolio for enterprise value of $3.5 billion? The answer for the same goes to Adani Green. So Adani Green announced that it will acquire SB Energy's 5 gigawatt India renewable power portfolio for a fully completed valuation of $3.5 billion. Right? This is a 100% acquisition again. Kotak Mahindra Bank has bought what percent of stake in Kotak Mahindra Pension Fund? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer for the same is 46.7%. So Kotak Mahindra Bank has acquired 1.3 crore shares, around 46.7% of equity of Kotak Mahindra Pension Fund from Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company Limited. Which of the following countries has launched Haiyang 2D ocean observation satellite into orbit? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer goes to China. So China has launched a new ocean monitoring satellite on Wednesday into orbit. They are launching these satellites because Indian Ocean holds the most important strategic significance for them. All the oil that comes to China goes from the Malacca Strait. So it's very important for them to have these ocean satellites. Also, they keep India busy on the Indian Army waterfront, Indian Army front, so that India does not give much attention to Indian Navy. Who among the following has qualified for this year's Tokyo Olympics after finishing second in the final race of the Asia Oceania Continental Qualifying Regatta in Tokyo? The answer for the same goes to Arjun Lal Jat and Ankit Singh Rathore. That means option D is the correct answer. Arjun Lal Jat and Ankit Singh Rathore. So Indian rowing fans as Arjun Lal Jat and Arvind Singh qualified for Tokyo Olympics after finishing second in the final race of Asia Oceania Continental Qualifying Regatta in Tokyo on Friday. Very important, you can see it here. Chaman Lal Gupta passed away recently. He was what? What was his occupation? The answer for the same goes to that he was a politician. He's a veteran BJP leader and former Union Minister Chaman Lal Gupta. He died after a prolonged illness. Which of the following state has recently launched Amrit Vahini app and portal and a chatbot? Kindly give the correct answer. The answer goes to Jharkhand. So new corona patient in Jharkhand can hospital beds online through Amrit Vahini app launched by CM Hemant Soren. Okay? So CM Hemant Soren has launched this Amrit Vahini app and portal and a chatbot. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Shall meet you tomorrow and in 3-4 days we will start with mock drills. Thank you very much.